Ate Georgie. Good morning, listeners. I sent this letter to share my tragic life 5 years ago. You can call me under the name of Jayan. My family and I were one of the survivors of Typhoon Mark. Before the disaster happened, we are having a better life. Everything's fine, nothing to worry about.
It hurts, you know. What the hell?
Hey.
Speaking of the devil, it's brown out.
Get the radio and the emergency light.
Good morning, everyone. Here I am in Bataan updating the weather forecast for today. Unfortunately, there will be a super typhoon tonight. So stay tuned, everyone. Wait for my newly forecast.
My mom called my dad while we're preparing for evacuation. My father went home in a hurry, but unfortunately, on his way home, he died.
Here I am in C5 highway when the accident occurred. According to the police authority, a man died in a car accident due to the heavy rainfall.
Yes, hello, Devin speaking. Who's this?
Are you Mrs. Francisco, the wife of Mr. Cliff Francisco?
Yes, is there something wrong? What can I do for you?
I'm sad to tell you that your husband just passed away because of a car accident.
That was the most terrible thing happened in my life. When my daddy died, I thought I couldn't live no more. But the world seems endless. The world won't stop go round even if I am the saddest guy in the world. So, I continue my life and here I am now, a successful man. And this is the story of my life. Again, good morning to all the listeners.
Strands in your eyes, the color them wonderful, stop me and steal my breath. And emeralds from mountains and throts towards the sky, never revealing their depth. And tell me that we belong together, dress it out with the trappings of love. I'll be captivated, I'll hang from your lips instead of the gallows of heartache that hang from above. And I'll be your crying shoulder, I'll be love suicide.